competition we have to understand, healthy competition, if it is there, it is acceptable. But if it goes like Smith has said, that conversation becomes when conversation happens, there is a possibility of a conspiracy, right? And here that what is happening, carteling, tying arrangements, and because of that the consumer is getting affected, right? So if that 4 types of competitions are there, like perfect competition, monopolistic competition, we need not to worry. But if it comes to that oligopoly or monopoly, then the role of Competition Commission of India is coming, and this is another regulatory authority, we can say a statutory body, we should say, we should appreciate that it is a statutory body and it is taking care of that particular competition. Appeal is going to the NCLT. Okay. So, that much information we have to remember, along with the role of police, role of courts, role of administration. Okay. IP disputes. So, this particular we can say the statutory bodies are there which are taking care of that particular IP disputes. Okay. So, coming to the quiz now.